Today I'm going to show you how to add browser source to OBS. Using a browser window, you'll need to go into sources, click on the plus icon and come up here to browser, and what you will essentially do is give it a name, click on OK, and now you will have to add in your URL over here. Now, if you go into your browser, let's say perhaps you would like to have a specific web page that you would like to display. So let's just say I want this one over here, and right click on it, click on copy link address, go back into OBS, right over here, use Control and V, that will be in there. Adjust the height and the width. So let's say we want this to be 1920 and we want this to be 1080. We can now also control audio via OBS if we would like to do that, and we can use a custom frame rate, which for now I think is okay because we're currently using 30 frames per second. And then as we go down over here, we are going to go and click on OK. You will now see that this will be displayed as our main display. This is the actual website, right? So if we go in here, you will see that this is exactly what's being captured over here. Now, if you'd like to just change the way it's displayed, you can go ahead and you can click on these red dots, the edge, and you can actually change the way it's displayed. So let's say you just want to put it in over here, you still want to capture the main screen, you can do exactly that.